One of my students have posted these questions. So let's solve one by one. These are the questions of one-step linear equations. So let's read. Find the value of variables. X plus 10 is equal to 15. X is the variable and 10 is the constant. To find the value of the variable x, we need to separate the variable and the constant. So to separate x, we need to subtract 10 from both sides. Why? Because over here it's positive. X plus 10 and minus 10 it will cancel out. Plus 10 and minus 10 will cancel out. So now we see 15 minus 10 is 5. 15 minus 10 we get 5. Therefore, x is equal to 5. See, in our next question, we see y plus 9 is equal to 24. So now we need to separate the variables and the constant. Since we see plus 9, positive 9, so we will subtract 9 from both sides. Y plus 9 and minus 9, 0. So it will cancel out. 24 minus 9 is equal to 15. Answer, y is equal to 15. Let's do the next question. So our next question we see x minus 13 is equal to 17. So over here we see to separate minus 13 from x, we will add 13 on both sides. So x minus 13 plus 13 will cancel out, is equal to 17 plus 13 is equal to 30. Answer, x is equal to 30. Now let's move to the next question. X minus 5 is equal to 16. Here to separate x from minus 5, we will add 5 on both sides. So we get x minus 5 plus 5 is 0. X is equal to 16 plus 5 is equal to 21. Answer, x is equal to 21. Now let's move to the last one. Y minus 12 is equal to 12. So to separate y from minus 12, we will add 12 on both sides. So y minus 12 plus 12 is 0. It will cancel out. Y is equal to 12 plus 12 is equal to 24. Answer, y is equal to 24. So if you all have any doubts, post your questions so that I can help you. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please like, share and subscribe Math Only Math for more videos. Thank you.